The floor is lava in 3, 2, 1, go! Tada, the floor is lava. Oh no! Taas! Wow! Sa pom. What? Di basahan? How can you cross it? Wow!
I did it!
You made it!
May did it! May did it dito!
May did it? Ano did it?
Ito.
Ano ba yung did it?
Did it?
Okay. Tab's turn. Wow! Floor is lava. One.
Oy, sa ilalim.
Wow! You can made it! Oh! You made it to the kama! Good job!
Pakita mo yung video na.
Hard. Kasi lalagyan natin ng twist. Okay? Lagyan natin ng malayo to. This one, malayo. Tapos ito, dapat hindi ka tatapak. Sa basahan lang. Okay? Dito, gawin natin tong open. Like a lamesa. Nandun. Tapos ito, nandito. This one. Nandito. Okay. Check. Check.
Ready?
Ready? Set. Floor is lava. Go.
Baba, parang there. Be careful.
Be careful.
Balik naman.
Oh!
Too hard.
Nakatapak yung paa mo doon sa ano.
Heart.
Heart. Bawal ka tumapak sa tiles. Need to touch the tiles. Oh.
Muntik na.
Okay.
Too hard na lang.
Too hard ka na lang. Kasi nakatapak ka sa tiles kanina. Okay. Too hard ka na lang. Ba too hard? Dapat mapuntahan mo yung scooter. The last challenge is the scooter. Dapat di ka makatapak sa floor. Tapos makuha mo yung scooter. Ah! Oh! Good job. Great. Okay.